Number one has to be explore that ship. We love to explore the ships. I mean, every nook and cranny. I just don't mean like the where the restaurants are at or where the buffets at. No, I mean every deck we're allowed to get to. Right? We love to go all around and look up and down. You know, there are so many things you'll be amazed that you will find that you had no idea was there. You know, and it was hilarious because on one cruise we took, it was MSC. We took a cruise and we saw a video on that later on from somebody else. Who like, oh my gosh, that was on our ship. But the person found a spot on the ship we never saw before. It's like, my gosh, I thought we were thorough, but I guess we're not, you know? So take advantage of these ships and the space they offer, right? Don't just go to the restaurant. Don't just go to the bar. Don't just go to the casino. Look around that ship and explore all the amenities that it offers, because these things that come jam-packed full of nice surprises for you, right? So for your first, second, third, 10th cruise, whatever, always explore that ship to its fullest. As much as you can explore, because it's really fun. You would never know what you might find out there, right? It's very cool, you know? Number two, my first time, it was definitely the food, right? Because I thought in my mind, my first time cruising, I thought, okay, well, I know it's buffets, you know, so I thought, oh man, so my first day I go to the buffet, there's like 1,000 choices for food, right? I said, oh man, to this, I'm definitely gonna go to the gym, right? But I thought there was like, you know, so the buffet was like the big deal, I thought, but it wasn't, because my friends who did the cruises before me, they always spoke about the buffets, but didn't speak a lot about the restaurants. So my wife, being who she is, she explored the restaurant side of it, you know? So I'm happy that she did, because we understood there's a lot of different restaurants on these ships. Some you gotta pay for, right? They're not part of the package, but the experience is very cool for us. We really just enjoyed the different restaurants. We ate at every restaurant on our cruise to get the whole experience of the ship and what it offered, right? And of course, we did the buffets too. So here's our deal. We did the buffets during the day, right? We ate once a day, right? During the day. Then at nighttime, we go eat at a restaurant. So that was kind of fun, you know? So we had the buffet experience every day. And then we had the different restaurant experience every night. So there we go. What was really great for us our first time was the entertainment. We like art, we like plays, we like stuff like that, right? But I mean, I went to the honestly, guys, I went to the entertainment part, right? To one of the shows, and I was thinking, oh, you know, it's a ship, so it can't be that extravagant, right? I was thinking already, oh, it can't be that extravagant, but man, blew me away. The entertainment there on these ships, I don't care what you take, MSC, Princess, Royal Caribbean, it doesn't matter. The shows are amazing. Those actors and actresses they bring on board to do these shows for you and what they can do on a ship in the middle of the ocean is just an amazing experience. You have to, don't let these shows pass you by, okay? There usually one was at like, I think it was 7:30 and one at 9:30. You cannot let these shows pass you by. You must go experience what they do, how beautiful these shows can be, the vibrant colors, the good acting, the dancing, the singing. It's just amazing. You'll be shocked at their talent and how happy you'll be watching these shows go on while you're in the middle of the ocean. It's just it's an amazing experience, you know. So that's our big third surprise out there. Was like, my gosh, these are really fun shows, you know, just really great. Before I go on, please, I've got 92% of people watch my videos but not subscribing. Please be part of the 8% and subscribe to my videos, please. I take a little bit of time to make. So anyway, number four, let's keep going. Number four has to be the shore excursions. My gosh, you know, our first cruise we ever took, right? So we took it with the excursions through sponsored by the ship, because we wanted to make sure they don't leave without us, because we take a ship sponsored excursion, the ship cannot leave without you until you get back. That's part of the deal. It's part of your ticket, right? They can't leave without you. So the first time taking an excursion, it's just fun to go to another country, another port, and get out there and understand things, you know, and even the guided tours are kind of cool too. I mean, the whole thing was very fun to be a part of. It was just fun. There's no other word I can say, because it's exciting and you're enjoying it, you know, and just to see, you know, I've traveled all my life, right? So I've been overseas in Asia and Europe, so on and so forth. But for people who have never traveled much, right, in America, who see another country, it's very exciting to deal with other people, different countries, different ways of communicating, you know. So it's really cool. So seriously, guys, if you can do at least one excursion somewhere, if you can afford one excursion, you got to do it try it out and see what I mean, right? You won't forget it. I tell you, you won't forget it. The last thing is here that was really fun for us is meeting new people. Look, I know some of you are you call yourselves introverts, you know, or you're shy, whatever. Or you just want to talk to your partner every night at dinner. Well, that's fine. Okay, so say you're cruising for 7 nights, right? 3 nights you should really purposely sit with other people with your spouse. So what do I mean by that? Well, if you book a table, that's your table for just you two, right? No big deal, right? But what we did, we purposely did not book a table. So what happens, right? You go to line, right? You say, look, let's say, okay, you guys who are booked over here, you guys who are not booked over here. And the ones who are not booked sit with 3 other couples, right? So 8 people per table, right? And so you sit there with people from Australia and Germany, and maybe people from the South, you know, who knows, the Midwest, you know. And so you sit there with people, and of course you're engaging in conversation because people all around you, you know. Now my wife's a little bit more introverted. I'm not, but she is, you know. So she's a little more quieter, but she too likes that experience because she sees people from other parts of the world too, because she's from another part of the world, you know. So it's kind of cool. We met a couple from Australia at our table, people from Indiana. It was kind of cool. Washington D.C. and also from Germany. I mean, it was just a guy. I met a guy from Croatia. I mean, you meet the whole world there on these ships, you know. But you're not going to meet anybody if you just sit with your partner every night, just you two at a table, which is fine too. If you guys just want you two, no problem. That's part of the cruise also. I get it. It's fine. I understand that for sure, you know. But if you want to get like an experience with other people, it's cool because I like that, meeting other folks. You know, you don't have to have these long talks. No, you don't have to have these like 3-hour discussions. No, but just meeting people from other parts of the world is really great. At least for me, I like that a lot. You know, I don't know many people from the South either, so I met quite a few folks from the South. That was kind of cool too. So it was great. It was a great time. So those are the 5 things I think that will really surprise you, you know, on the cruise for the first time. Number 6 was a bonus for me, though. I want to tell you guys, this is probably just for me, maybe not for you, but we all have jobs that are very stressful, right? I know you do. I know I do, right? So my bonus was this. I got to turn my phone off. That was great for me. I only use my phone for pics, right? Of my wife and the chip, whatever, right? Because it was nice to have nobody from work contact me for those 6 or 7, 10 days that I'm gone, right? That was beautiful. I mean, the joy of being unplugged was amazing. I couldn't understand people walk around that ship and constitute it on like they walk on the street, you know, the phone always there. I just didn't understand that, you know. And it's fine they do it, it's great. But for me though, I'm so happy I got to be unplugged. And maybe you might experience that too, right? Because it's a really good feeling. I dare you to try that. Put your phone down, right? At least put down the communication part of your phone down. Just use your phone for pictures and stuff like that. You might enjoy it like I did. Maybe, right? Anyway, those are the 5+1 great things I experienced and I was surprised by on my first cruise. And I hope it's surprising for you guys as well. Okay? Take care. Bye-bye.